Guys, welcome back to my channel. Isla here. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to also create a YouTube banner and everything in between. So you guys subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think down in the comment section, and let's get started. Go to Canva, and then here you can type logo or YouTube. Let's say YouTube logo, for example. YouTube logo. So right here you can choose the logo that best suits you. Now I will just try and see if I can edit something here. I'm trying my best to make this video as short as possible. So here is, let's say, trust idea, and you want to change something here. What you just have to do is rewrite it. If you want to rewrite it, double tap on this and then change the writing. Trust idea, work until it's done. Let's say I want to write this, and then you change it. If you want to delete this, just tap on here is delete. Here is copy, duplicate. Here is to lock, here is to comment, but all those ones don't use them much. If you want to reduce this, tap on here, and the lighting is reduced. You can put it anywhere you want, drag and drop. Canva is the most essential app when you are editing. So if you want to save, you can save here. You can save as image, save as video. You can copy the link or anything. So how to create a YouTube banner is going over to home again, typing on YouTube, banner. So right here you see a lot of YouTube banners that you can choose from, whether it's gaming, whether it's anyone. All these ones are written pro, are the ones that you have to pay before using them. So let's choose this one, Julia Martin. You can change your name to whatever you want. So let's say this, I'll change it to Dems Edit United. Dems Edit, sorry, TM. Yes, I want to change the font of it. You can also do that on your thumbnail, and then I choose this font, or I can choose any font I want. I can choose any font I want, but my favorite font is this one called ALIEXPRESS. So right here you can increase this to change your size. If you have sites, or if you have this, you can change the size just as the way I taught you. Then you can change when you post video, let's say entertainment and dancing, and you can leave it as it is, or you can also change like the how it is. So let's say I want to change also the name of this. I'll just I also put the same here. Copy. If you have a site, you can copy. You can also impute it there. Let's say I want to, okay, wait, So this is how it's going to come out. Thems edit TM, thems edit.com, thems edit this. So let's say you don't have this, maybe you can't move the two of them together. You can ungroup them. Once you ungroup them, then you sir, okay. So you can change this, and then you can put it however you want. See, you see, once you're done, then you can tap on save, you can download, and that's how you make a YouTube thumbnail and a YouTube banner. So this is all for today's video. My next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to edit your video. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.